Alright, what I'm going to show you is how to clean your rubber seals around your refrigerator and your port holes, port lights, hatches, anything that's got that rubber on it. It's actually pretty simple. You clean your rubber. You want to make sure there's no debris on there. And you just put a thin layer of petroleum jelly, 100% petroleum jelly, on the rubber seal, and it's pretty much that's it. So what I'm going to do, this is not my first time doing this. Maybe I should say it's my first time doing this. I've cleaned it before. What I'm going to do is, I just put a little bit of Vaseline back on here as I wipe it too. You want to get the top, or I should say the side, depending on how you look at it. When I got this, if you noticed, I was dealing with some rust issues. So, been trying to pretty much get ahead of that. Alright. So now that I put on, let's see how that angle looks. Now that I cleaned it, we're just going to rub some more on there. Yeah, nothing special to it, just petroleum. You just want a thin layer. Don't need gloves or anything. This is just to kind of keep your rubber moisturized. That's all. Same thing without outside. I'm gonna do that. I got 2 hatches already open, so I'm gonna do 2 that's open. I really need to do all of them, but I think I'm just gonna do the ones I got open for now. Alrighty. Sorry for the camera, guys. It's old. It's been taking a beating. It's done in many videos and been in many countries. Hope you see the shine. That's the petroleum jelly. It's not wax. Alright, you know the motto. On to the next project.